Welcome to My Wallet Hurts. I am your host, Tim, and today we are going to open up a box of Hit Parade Hockey autographed hockey pucks. This one is numbered, looks like 81 out of 100. This is from the 2022-23 Series 13, and you could hit possibly a very Hall of Fame autograph to a rookie autograph. I've had some pretty good success with these, and I figured we'd give them another try. These boxes are from Dave and Adams. You can find them under their Hit Parade stuff. So let's take a look and see what we have. I had participated in a break over at Big House Breaks on Facebook with Jim, and we did the Frozen Dozen series, and we ended up hitting a Alex Ovechkin autograph puck out of that box. So there are some good Hall of Famers in here. I know Great Day for Hockey Cards. Shout out to that lovely gentleman. He had opened a box of this, and had pulled a Austin Matthews. So let's see what we have. This is just their insert for Hit Parade. And let's see who we can... Stanley Cup champions. That looks like Carter Verhaeghe. Yeah, I think that's who that is. Carter. That looks like his signature, I think. Let's give a pop and take a look. Oh, yep. Carter Verhaeghe. Nice. Stanley Cup champions. Okay, Frozen Pond authenticated with the NHL Stanley Cup Playoffs collection. Carter Verhaeghe. Nice. So, Hit Parade Hockey 2022-23 Series 13. You can find these at daveandadams.com. Thanks for watching, and may your break go good for you today, and may you find joy in the hobby. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, suggestion, rude remark, a like, a dislike, and have a great day.